All right, 8:48, want to get a final check of your pinpoint weather and traffic together. We're not going to see 77 today, TJ, but it's still going to be pretty nice, right?
Yeah, 67. That's still pretty good for early to mid-April. Yeah, we're looking at a pretty decent day. Live pinpoint Doppler 12 radar showing no rain around. We had some rain around earlier in the morning. That has since moved offshore. The clouds that we have overhead are slowly beginning to break apart, and we're actually going to be seeing a fair amount of sunshine today. Temperatures are mild to start. Providence at 48 degrees with a blend of clouds and some sunshine with a wind from the north at around 7 miles an hour. Newport at 48. New Bedford right now also at 48 degrees with a wind from the northeast at around 6 miles an hour. Let's get a look at temperatures elsewhere. Up in Gloucester at 45. Coventry, similar temperatures in the mid-40s. 46 in South Kingstown. Fall River right now is at 47. The satellite radar picture showing that batch of rain that was around earlier in the morning moving away. The cloudiness that we have in place right now is slowly breaking up. Got a good amount of sunshine right now. We've got some partly to mostly sunny skies across New York State and into Connecticut. That belongs to us for today, but another batch of rain off to our west eventually will be working its way into our region during the course of the nighttime tonight. But what's happening right now is an area of low pressure riding along this front that stalled offshore. That pulls away. We'll see more and more sunshine as it gets out of here. Now, later in the day, we'll be seeing the clouds thickening up again as another area of low pressure tracks along this frontal boundary, which is stalled off to our south. We'll see the clouds come in first, and then we'll eventually be seeing some rain arriving during the course of the evening. Let's take a look at it with our futurecast. Here we are at 3 o'clock in the afternoon with a blend of clouds and sunshine, taking you into the evening commute. 6 o'clock this evening, we're still looking at dry skies, but the clouds thickening up. Here we are after 8, 9 o'clock or so. The rain showers working their way in. Rain showers around throughout the rest of the evening. Here we are at midnight with the rain. Might even be briefly heavy along the south shore, taking you into the overnight and into early tomorrow morning. Most of that rain will be gone. Maybe a lingering shower during the morning commute tomorrow. Passing shower possible during the late afternoon for your Thursday. But I think most of the day on Thursday will likely be on the dry side. Your futurecast for the afternoon, mid to upper 60s for your Wednesday afternoon. Temperatures topping out at 66 in Riverside, Warwick 66, Cranston also in the mid 60s. Down along the south shore, we'll find temps in the low to mid 60s down here. 63 in Westerly, Hope Valley 65. Northern Rhode Island temperatures about 10 degrees cooler than what you had yesterday, but still nice with that blend of clouds and sunshine. Again, the clouds thickening up later in the afternoon. But before that happens, Johnston all the way up to 67. Southeastern Massachusetts, we're looking at highs in the low to mid 60s. Pretty good day over here. Here's that 7-day futurecast. We are looking at kind of a cloudy day tomorrow with maybe a passing shower or a sprinkle. Generally just a gray, damp and chilly day. Now on Friday, we are looking at a period of rain really throughout much of the day. Rainy, raw, a little heavy at times, ½ inch to an inch of rain possible. Interesting to note, one of our computer models even indicates a little period of ice pellets early on Friday morning. Let's hope that doesn't happen. Saturday and Sunday, a little more spring-like, mid to upper 50s with blends of clouds and sun. You can always get your updated futurecast by tuning in to Tony Petrarca. He's in later today on Eyewitness News Live at 5. Let's get a look now at that morning commute with your Jam Cam.